Well, it was nice of them folks to send me some stuff down here again. Ordered one of them there things from Cars for Hobbies, and man come brought something up there in the box, so this will be the unboxing of it. I ordered one of them things, and it was one of them there, it was a dirt car, high-speed airboat helicopter. Yes. And it come packed real nicely here up in this box, and it was real easy to take out. Not much to it there. We just throw that box over there out the way somewhere. It seems to be pretty good shape there. I don't know. I just wonder about these things sometimes. But I told them send me one of them there things down here and let me check it out. And they send me this thing down here, and this is what it is. Well, I thought I'd share it with y'all. That's Cars for Hobbies, y'all. Seems to work pretty good there. Oh, yeah, that thing's pretty bad there, man. Look at that thing. It's trying to do a wheelie, man. Look at that. It's trying to get up and go. Ah, dog, man. Cars for Hobbies, y'all. Get you one of them there high-speed dirt car, airboat helicopters. Yes, sir. Woo! Cars for Hobbies. Tell them Sling Blade sent you. Thank you for watching.